Before you buy solar panels, there's one question you must answer. How much solar power does my house actually need? Most people get this wrong, and it costs them thousands of dollars. Some end up with a system that's way too small. Others buy a system that's way too big. And both mistakes mean wasted money. But here's the good news. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple formula that tells you the perfect solar size for any home, in any country, even if you know nothing about solar. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how many kilowatts and how many panels your house really needs, with zero confusion. Let's get started. The first step is to look at one thing: your electricity bill. Every bill shows how much energy your home uses in kilowatt hours per month or kilowatt hours. Most homes fall between 300 and 900 kilowatt hours per month, depending on size, appliances, and climate. Let's take a very common example. Your home uses 600 kilowatt hours per month. That means your daily usage is 600 kilowatt hours divided by 30 days, approximately equals 20 kilowatt hours per day. This daily usage is the number that solar sizing is based on. If your home uses more, like 900 to 1,200 kilowatt hours per month, your solar system will need to be bigger. If your home uses less, like a small apartment, you might only need a tiny system. Next, we need the number of peak sun hours your location gets. This does not mean the number of hours the sun is in the sky. Peak sun hours represent how many hours of strong, full sunlight solar panels actually receive. Typical numbers around the world. Cloudy areas, 2 to 3 hours per day. Most of Europe and Canada, 3 to 4 hours per day. USA, South, Middle East, Australia, 5 to 6 hours per day. For this video, let's use 5 peak sun hours per day, one of the most common values. Why does this number matter? Because your energy needs stay the same, but the amount of sunlight changes by location. If you live in a cloudy city, your system needs to be larger. If you live in a sunny place, the system can be smaller. Now, let's calculate the system size. The formula is very simple. Solar system size, kW, equals daily kWs needed, divided by sun hours. In our example, you need 20 kilowatt hours per day. You get 5 sun hours per day. So, 20 divided by 5 equals 4 kilowatts. That means you need a 4 kilowatt solar system to cover your daily electricity use. But here's something important. Most installers oversize the system a bit, usually around 10 to 20%, to account for cloudy days, dust heat losses, inverter inefficiency shading from trees, and real-world performance. So a safer estimate might be 4.5 kilowatts instead of 4 kilowatts. Solar panels today are powerful. Most new panels are around 400 watts each. Some are 450 to 500 watts, but 400 watts keeps the math simple. To convert the system size into number of panels, panels needed equals total kilowatts divided by panel size. So, 4 kilowatts equals 4,000 watts. Each panel equals 400 watts. 4,000 divided by 400 equals 10 panels. A typical 10-panel system needs about 16 to 20 square meters of roof space. If your roof is small or has obstacles like skylights or chimneys, the installer might use higher efficiency panels, split the system across 2 roof surfaces, or adjust panel orientation, east-west split. Even a small roof can fit solar. It just requires good layout planning. Let's look at quick real-world examples to make this super clear. Example 1. Small apartment, 300 kilowatt hours per month. Daily use, 10 kilowatt hours. Sun hours, 510 divided by 5 equals 2 kilowatts panels needed. 5 panels. Example 2. Average home, 600 kilowatt hours per month. Daily use, 20 kilowatt hours. Sun hours, 520 divided by 5 equals 4 kilowatts. Panels needed, 10 panels. Example 3. Large home, 1,000 kilowatt hours per month. Daily use, 33 kilowatt hours. Sun hours, 533 divided by 5 equals 6.6 kilowatts. Panels needed, about 17 panels. Example 4, very sunny area, Arizona. You might need less because sunlight is strong. For the same 600 kilowatt hours per month, 20 divided by 6 equals 3.3 kilowatts panels needed. 8 to 9 panels. Example 5, cloudy Northern Europe. You need more because sunlight is weaker. 20 divided by 3.5 equals 5.7 kilowatts. Panels needed, 14 to 16 panels. Before we wrap up, here are 5 real-life factors that can change how much solar your home actually needs. 1. Roof orientation. South-facing roofs, north in southern hemisphere, produce the most. East or west may require 10 to 15% more panels. North-facing roofs in the northern hemisphere produce the least energy, often 25 to 35% less. So you may need 30 to 40% more panels or a different roof surface to get good results. 2. Shading shade from trees, buildings, or chimneys reduces performance. You may need a slightly larger system or microinverters. 3. Future electricity use. Thinking of adding a heat pump, EV, or electric water heater? Plan for it now. Future-proofing saves money. 4. Climate and temperature. Solar panels lose efficiency when they get very hot. Hot climates may need an extra 5 to 10% capacity. 5. Net metering rules. If your country gives poor credits for extra solar, you might size smaller. If credits are generous, going bigger may pay off. Batteries don't change how many panels you need. They only store the energy. But if you want to run your house at night, during power cuts, or go partially off-grid, you need to size the battery based on your nighttime usage. Quick example. You use 20 kilowatt hours per day. You want 8 hours of backup. You need around 10 kilowatt hours of usable battery storage. That's roughly 1 Tesla Powerwall or similar. Here's the whole video in one simple explanation. Look at your monthly kilowatt hours. Convert to daily usage. Divide by your sun hours. That gives you the kilowatts of solar you need. Divide by 400 watts to find the number of panels. In our example, a home using 600 kilowatt hours per month needs around 4 kilowatts of solar, 10 panels. And that's it. Now you can size a solar system for any house in just a few minutes. If you made it this far, you now understand something that most homeowners, and even some installers, get completely wrong: how to size a solar system the right way. If this video helped you, do me a small favor. Hit the like button so YouTube knows this content is useful. If you have questions about your home, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.